You know, most people in the financial world are known for telling doctors to pay their debt down as aggressively as they possibly can. And I wholeheartedly agree with that, with a slight caveat. And so I want to share with you today a little reason why you might not want to throw every last dollar you have at debt. And I was working with a husband and a wife. It was a 2-doctor family a few years ago, and I gave them some advice. They didn't take it. And the advice was, let's aggressively go after your debt, but let's be sure we're putting aside a little bit of money for savings. You never know what life's going to throw at you. Having a little bit of savings on the side is really helpful. Well, they didn't really pay attention to what I said. They threw it all at their debt. And I totally understood it. They wanted to get rid of it. They had a lot of it. But somewhere along the way, life threw them a curveball. She ended up getting pregnant, which was great. It was something they'd wanted to do for a long time. And then he actually ended up in a situation where his pay decreased. And so when they lost her income, because she gave birth and stayed at home for a little while, and his income was reduced, all of a sudden they couldn't pay for just the normal everyday things. They couldn't pay for their mortgage, they couldn't pay for food, they couldn't do all of it on just his reduced salary. And so because of that, they had to turn somewhere to try and find some money. And they didn't have any savings because they had thrown it all towards their debt. And so while I definitely believe in being aggressive towards your debt, take this as a small tip. You need to have some kind of savings on the side, rainy day fund, just in case life throws you a little bit of a curveball. Hack away at that debt as best you can, have a plan for it and knock it out. But be sure you're also saving a little bit in case life throws you a curveball and you need a little bit of money on the side. So for tips like that, along with some other pitfalls to avoid, be sure to join us at our upcoming webinar on debt. Thanks for joining.